Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issues 105 and 106 of Build the 1967 Mustang Eleanor from the film Gone in 60 Seconds by our good old friends over at Fanhome. Now, you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these with me? Head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can have one of these on your bench, folks. So what are we up to today? Well, today we've got the headliner, which has arrived. So let's grab that. Looking rather sexy in there. So we're going to be opening that. And then this is one of those put to one side until we get all the little bits of gubbins like the sun visor and the mirrors and things like that. We've also got the door trims, the seal guards and the door frame surrounds. So we got them in the packet. So we're going to be fitting those, as you can see, press fit into place, both sides, which means we're going to be fitting the doors, folks. So you'll need both your doors from your previous issues of Eleanor. And we're going to be fitting them in place, folks. Okay, so it's an exciting part of the build for us today. And this is what we're going to end up with, our Eleanor shell nearly ready to be joined. We've got the headliner and that to go in the next issue or so. And then we'll be marrying this to the chassis, folks, because Eleanor's not far from being finished, folks. Okay, so let's put the magazine to one side. We'll get all the bits and pieces out, lined up, ready, so that we can get a little bit of assembly done for you. Top first, then the bottom, folks. Okay, so let's just line these up and start popping them in place. Like that. And then start squeezing them all the way around. Like that. And again, if you do need to come back and drop a bit of PVA in, then you can always come back and pop these back off and line a bit of PVA around them. But that's the frame going in. And we then want these to go in with the step facing inwards and the curve towards the back, okay? So that is that one in. Press them fully in. They're a little bit stubborn at first. And then just give them a rub with your thumb to sit them right down. Like so. So that's that one done. We're now set about doing this one. Again, same process. I tend to start in one corner and then just start pressing the pegs in place. Working my way around like so. And then just dress the door. There you go. So we'll have that in place. And then we'll come round and we'll fit this bottom one. Just like so. Have you some of that? So now we can look at doing a bit of door. So let's turn Eleanor upside down. And we'll bring a door in. We want a DS12 screw and some oil. So let's grab our screwdriver of screwdriverness. Get that in place. And let's bring a door in, which is over there. And we want to bring that in at an angle. Like so. And then we want to feed the screw in and bring that in place. Like so. And then we've got another one to do, which is over there. There you go. Let's bring that back in. Untrap my arm. And then give everything a little cleanse. And there you go, folks. That is Eleanor with her doors on. Look at that. Oh, yes. Come on. How beautiful is she looking? So there you go, folks. That is this issue complete. Now, that is the doors and windows in on Eleanor's body shell. So don't forget, if you'd like to grab one of these for yourselves and build along with me, head over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building this iconic Ford Mustang. Also, to help me out, give Little Fester a click in the corner there and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Helps me channel grow, keeps it alive. Ring the bell whilst you're there and select all to be notified of all upcoming and future content. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.